Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the LightDims Blackout Edition, touted as one of the best solutions for light blocking on various electronic devices. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The LightDims Blackout Edition is designed to block 100% of light emitted by LEDs on routers, electronics, and appliances. Whether you're annoyed by bright status lights or looking to darken a room for better sleep, this product promises a simple and effective solution. It's incredibly easy to use. Just peel and stick over the offending LED light. The material is designed to dim the light without completely blocking the signal, so your devices remain functional. They come in various sizes and shapes to fit different electronics, ensuring versatility. The LightDims are ultra-thin and discreet. Once applied, they blend seamlessly with your devices, maintaining a sleek appearance. The adhesive is strong enough to stay put but won't leave residue when removed. Installing LightDims is straightforward. Clean the surface, peel off the backing, and carefully apply over the LED light. Smooth out any bubbles, and you're done. It literally takes seconds. In terms of performance, I've tested these on multiple devices, routers, TVs, and appliances, and they've effectively blocked the light without causing any interference. It's a simple fix for a common annoyance. According to customer feedback, which we're not focusing on today, the LightDims are highly regarded for their effectiveness and ease of use. They're also praised for being from a small business, so you're supporting independent entrepreneurs with your purchase. To wrap it up, the LightDims Blackout Edition is indeed one of the best light blocking solutions out there. It's affordable, easy to use, and delivers on its promise to dim those pesky LEDs. If you're looking to improve your sleep quality or simply reduce visual clutter from electronics, I highly recommend giving these a try. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. See you next time.